Hello students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So, Paidi Chengtini, Norokni class 3 ni book, The World Around Us, a book ni puila chapter, Family and Friends no, Chengtini discuss khailene. Okay? Chengjo toni no family tongo haida, Chengjo toni no family tongo, tai, chini friends rog tongo. Ge Paidi Chengtini nailene, Belani family. So, let us meet Bella and her family. Okay, Bella ni family was sab tong, bo koroksa little girl, kasha warm the happy family wo bo belong kayo. Okay, bini no ko sab tong cheng nai lena, bini family was sab tong, bini elder brother, koroksa tong bin mungke bangku bhaiya. Okay, tai bini younger brother, bini bupayung koroksa tong bin mungke bishu. Okay. Tai bong ni family o tai sabutong, they live with their loving parents. Borong ni parents by borok tongo, borong ni buma, bufa, tai grandparents, borok tam haninong bong ni grandparents no, dadaji and dadiji. Okay, ching chini, nana, dadu haninong yada, borok baba hai ke no, borong ni grandparents no, dadaji and dadiji. Ab hai haninong go na. Ngabong family o tai sabutong, her family also includes Shiru, the pet dog. Inge bongi family o tai koroksa tongo shiru hanai koroksa sui pet dog je nogo cheng nogo pushimani sui rong nong ke cheng tam han pet hanu na inge abon bagai borong ni oro koroksa shiru hanai borong ni sui je nogo pushimani sui koroksa tongo inge abo hai jo to miliwi borong ni family hada na inge puila no borok tam khailai family o kaisa family wo jeng tam khailai jeng thancha ke thanglayo thancha ke manelayo thancha ke resab layo enke jeng puila nai lenai borok thancha ke thanglai mani playing together. Okay, enke Bella and her brothers Bangku Bhaiya and Bishu love playing together. Borok Bella tai bini brother song bini buta tai bini bupayong borok thancha ke thanglai na Bella ke hamza go hone shao. They enjoy playing chupan chupai. Borok tamo chupan chupai. Angya kheba hide and seek. Hani nai cheng hanu na English bai hingke. Gachin kokborok bai hingke cheng tam han huizak mai thengu hani hen layo na. Ge abo hairok borok bong ni nok ni phataro chupan chupai borok thengnani belai kheno hamza go hani shao. At home they play peekaboo with little Bishu. Engke nok bishingo engke borok bini bupayong kusu baitam khai peekaboo game thanglayo engke norok yango saito nai manana peekaboo bahai ke thang engke peekaboo engke mai kaisa game je charai rok bai thangjago charai basa rok bai borong no puila fro kisa mukhang pano mukhang kholobai pan tong khang ke mon pore khulugiru engke borok tamo maneyo borok aram nangjago engke borok no ama haike no mane bar bar borok no washa makhang kholobo washa phiogo aba haike borok thanglayo engke borok ni buphayung Bella tai bini brothers borok oro nai din norok photo bini brother Bishu bai borok peekaboo game rok borok thanglayo nok bishingo hangke engke norok side man chupan chupai hide and seek bai ke thang norok bo thangna baksa segang puila kaisa borok ngke tamo bomo kolpan kholobai tongkha norogo jagao picture nugai man nai di khoroksa botamo mokol kholobai tongo ngke tai oino bin pal rok ngke borok janja thangai huijagi layo ngke botam ma khai olong ngke bo a charai rok no thangai man aitugu ke jo tonon khoroksa naitug bai khangke jo ton man khangke bongni game afrike payo abo haingo ngke tai wasipro ke tai khoroksa ni turn phainai pula sekang je borok chen kokborok bai ke hari bo hono do engke hari botam khai bo sekang mokol kholobai tongrao engke bujoton huijak laikrao gabon yagulo bo jotonon naitugui ma kario engke olokhe tai khoroksa am haike no haring phiro haike no game continue ngi thango engke cheng nailene next to tamtong engke borok tam khai they have planted a garden with several flowering plants ni chao borok tam khai ka bong ni nok gana gini garden o borok kabang mamti khum ganang plants rok bufang rok borok kai lekha ni shaudo engke after a long day of work Bella's parents like to relax in the garden engke borok tam khai bin parents rok ek samung rok khai nai lengjagai phai ka hangke garden o borok relax khainan bagai achuk layo. In the evening, sarigotam khai, their relatives, friends and neighbors gathered there. Borok shimia, borok ni friends rok, borok ni relatives, borok ni jaiti rok, borok jota palkhe, borok ni no gana gini neighbors singketamo, borok ni no gana gini tong nai borok. Borok jota miliwe, borok ni garden o, bathag layo, Kokborok salayo. Borok tam khai, they sit, talk, share jokes and laughs together. Ni borok achuk layo, washo jokes rok share khai layo, thansa ke muni layo, thansa ke borok time spend khai layo na. Borok ni garden o. Ge cheng tem nai le ne. Ge borok tai tam khai ka. Cheng shudu borok thansa ke thanglayo, thansa ke time spend khai layo amti hai simia. Borok tam khai, they sing together. Ge cheng tai kaisa nai le nai singing together. Ge tam khai on rainy days, the family sit together under a small shelter they have created in the garden. Nishawa jaga. Wati jarao, ke borok tam khai borok jo to family mili hui nai, borok ni garden o borok kaisa shelter tangi rekha nishaw do. Kaisa nukhung genang norok yango yagra bukhago nugi manana picture o kaisa nukhung genang ke borok shelter tangi rekha ke borok ajaga o wati jarao aro jo to borok thansa ke achuk layo nishaw. It is great fun to sit outside when it rains. Jeffru wati kalayo gangke tam khai wati wai tongo ke phataroga achukna ni belai tong thoguna wati boklai tongo tong tho kaisa mane si nungi tongo ge borok tam khai borok phataro achuk layo they play fun games like antakshari and snakes and ladder. Ge borok tam khai borok phataro achuk lai te kabama games rok thanglayo. Antakshari games rok thanglayo, snacks and ladders game rok thanglayo hane shao. Antakshari nok bhaike thang sai daman, joto pal miliwe recap mung mai ke game thanglayo antakshari hinke. Khorok sa recap na yawan pore je letter, last letter je recap mung, last letter by paika, a letter by te khorok sa recap na hai ke no continue ke thanglayo ta. Jono wai sa recap layo hane shao do. Okay, tai borok tam khai snacks and ladders khai mana chibuk by chokam ni game cheng lodu rogo nugu hai dana chibuk by chala ketam washan khitung tolao ke maphayo je number khitung jagao inke ladders je jaga chokam tong ketam washan sakao kasai thang ge borok am hai fun games rok borok wati jorao thangnani belai khana hamsa ko hani inke cheng nai layana while the kids enjoy their games, mother and grandmother make hot pakoras and tea sinisha ojaga. Borok charai rok joto no game rok thangai enjoy khai tong lai khang ke bini buma tai bini dadi ji grandmother na bini nana borok tam khai borok hot pakora kutung pakoras tea rok borok snam layo hanisha. All of them, including their grandparents, sit together and enjoy the pakoras. Kaya joton borok bongni grandparents rok jo to mili lai nei borok pakora rok chalayo cha rok nang layo norga jaga photo banugi man khana na enke borok ama hai ke tong to ke tong layo. Many times her daddy ji sings songs about the rain. Enke kwang ma jorao bin daddy ji tam khai rachap mung ro rachabu wati no ti rachap mung rachabu. Dadiji taught them a few of the songs, so they joined in the singing too. Inke bini dadiji borok no kabang ma koekta chap mung rok bo phrang ka hne shao. Inke borok tam khai borok bo bin dadi jefru rachab bong ka ke borok bo bong bini logi rachab layo hne shao. Inke cheng nai le ne rain song bahai nai di. Look at the dark clouds in the sky. The rain will come by and by. Oh, how we love to soak in the rain. See raindrops on the window panes, paper boats we see in paddles, birds on trees together huddled, peacocks dance with feathers bright. Oh, what a beautiful rainy sight. Okay, or the chap mungro borok resabon shaw. Na shigay na di nokha kosom. Okay, azaga wati phayo. Okay, jeng washo jeng wati rogo bo shiwui Shinani aram nanguna washo jeng wati rogo titu ko layo. Engke window panes rogo raindrops rog lai tong khangke besang nai thotok ngi tong. Engke paper boats rog jeng paper boats namai ti rogo thang layo he da. Gyam haike borok tong thogi rachap mung rachap layo. birds rok bo borok thansa ke kuthum layo enga ge peacocks botam khai bini feather sahori nai bom masao ge basak sanai thato rainy side amti hai ne or chap mo enga phaidi seng koikta question answer bo chang nai le na do asaga enga chang puila no angnor no koikta question answer sawana who are Bella's brother genorogasek chang discuss khaimao saiman kana Bella ni brother sabo bini khorang ni brother tonguna Banku Bhaiya okay elder brother and Bishu okay younger brother okay second question okay what is Bella's favorite game to play with her brother outside the house okay bini favorite game tamo nok ni fataro botam thangna hamsak chupan chupai hada hide and seek okay our answer okay chupan chupai what do they play at home with Bishu ge Bishu ba hinke borok nok bishingo tam thanglai peekaboo hada okay also answer okay peekaboo okay fourth number question hinke where do Bella and her family sit in the evening okay borok bo jaga asuk evening go in the garden outside their house borok ni garden of borok achuk layo hunchau what have they planted in the garden borok garden tam kai lai borok several flowering plants heda kama khum ganang bufang rok khum barnai bufang rok khum bufangta okay khum bufang rok borok kai lekha okay the last question okay what do they do on rainy days borok rainy days tam khailai sit under a shelter play games like antakshari and snakes and ladders eat pakoras and sing songs borok tam khai borok antakshari rok thango snakes and ladders rok thango pakoras rok borok chalayo tai rechap mung bo borok rechap layo gam sing no tinin bagai hambai